Good evening, guys. I called this meeting to discuss our trip to Portland. This meeting was a bit impromptu, but I wanted everyone to have a clear idea as to what each of our roles are, who will be monitoring each of the buses, who will be in charge of the children, who will be in charge of the food, just little things to that effect. I didn't want to just make a list or make a plan and then just have everyone adhere to my plan. You can't. I wanted us to sit down as a team because I do see us all as a team. I wanted us to sit down as a team and discuss if your strengths are in one area and you'll prefer to do something, then I would like for you guys to make that known. If you would not just hold it in, prefer to not do something, let it out. Sister Margaret, is everything okay? Okay. As I was saying, I want us all to... Sister Margaret, what's happening?